creating artificial intelligence without any knowledge and even making money from it. The possibility of making money, I know it sounds crazy, but now the era is really changing. You see, we are now in the era of artificial intelligence. We are no longer discussing which country makes the best tank, which country is making the best artificial intelligence. This is now important. We've experienced a tremendous drop in the last month. One of the biggest reasons, my friends, is that China is producing advanced artificial intelligence at a very low cost. And Nvidia's the drop and the decline of the Nasdaq market have shown one of the negative effects worldwide. One of the big reasons was this, our recent drop in one area. So again, artificial intelligence. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, says that many people are worried that artificial intelligence will take their jobs. But the real thing you should be worried about is someone who knows how to use artificial intelligence taking your job. So we need to learn how to use artificial intelligence. In the initial stage, those who learn to use it will take jobs from those who don't know. But of course, this won't continue like this in the long run. According to the world's richest person, Elon Musk, by 2040, the number of humanoid robots will exceed the number of humans. And that's when maybe all of us will lose our jobs. Friends, recently, in an interview, they asked Rami Koch, if you were to start from scratch, what kind of company would you open? What kind of company would you open? He says, probably artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is that important. So let's move on to our video now. Is there anyone among you who still uses Google? I hardly use it at all in the real sense. I handle most of my work through ChatGPT, or I immediately ask ChatGPT about the problems I encounter in daily life, and I get amazing answers. In the past, you needed to be an engineer to develop artificial intelligence. For years, you had to learn coding, but now that's not the case anymore. Friends, there is a decentralized artificial intelligence platform called MyShell AI. You can develop AI agents and bots without knowing how to code. It allows you to develop, and from here, we have the opportunity to make money. What is this MyShell AI? As I mentioned earlier, it's a decentralized artificial intelligence development platform. As a technical expert, you can develop a professional AI agent or bot with just a few clicks, even if you have no prior knowledge. When I was preparing for university, we would always see this discussion in our literature class. In the century, literary movements have constantly changed. Here are two movements. One of them is art for the sake of art. The other one is art is for the people. Now, we are adapting this to artificial intelligence. In the past, artificial intelligence was for programmers. Artificial intelligence is now for everyone. Now, let's see how we can create an agent. Of course, how can we create a complete artificial intelligence? I might make a detailed video about this in the future. I will show you this on a surface level right now. Do you know about MyShell AI? Hotline also did an airdrop on Airdrop. It has also been listed on many major exchanges. This project, frankly, I liked it too. I really liked it. Now, I am leaving. The website link in the video description. You clicked on this. On the left side, friends, you created a membership. Then you enter the workshop, create an agent. So you're saying to create an artificial intelligence agent, you give it a name, you enter a description, you use its models and features. You choose which artificial intelligence you want it to use. Here, friends, there are tools and widgets. It's a topic that you need to tinker with a bit. It's not very hard. You learn by tinkering because you can develop very different artificial intelligences. For example, here we can develop a virtual English teacher. It's cloning our voice. I'm cloning my voice. And I can turn this into a virtual English teacher. And friends, I can publish it. This is the part for creating an agent. So how can we make money? Another important topic. Because the company is developing it. Everyone in the world uses Google. But they say, how are we going to make money? There's something that's widely used, but how are we going to make money? Now, I've gathered three main topics here. Friends, the first one is making money through voiceover services. Actually, MyShell AI was initially developed for voice cloning and voiceover services. After that, the graphics part was added. So it's actually going and improving itself. MyShell. With text-to-speech or voice cloning technology, you can make translations from voice to voice. Friends, here, you can sell content by cloning voices, or you can take freelance jobs for audiobooks, podcasts. There are freelance sites related to this. Friends, they are really looking for this service, as I used to run another channel before. I was paying voice artists for cartoons and children's songs, friends. Now, those who know how to use this artificial intelligence can make money from it, because many people still don't know about these. But I'll show you the more attractive part, I'll tell you. You can create content with AI and become a content creator. Recently, we keep seeing this in front of us, like waking up in England in the 1400s or waking up in the Ottoman Empire in the 1800s. There are many channels that create images with artificial intelligence, turn those images into videos, and explode in popularity very quickly. There are Instagram accounts that make videos of Ronaldo and Messi and quickly gain 10 million followers. After creating an account, friends, you can earn money from these professional accounts. So you can create content with artificial intelligence and then turn it into money. But there's a problem with these. Those who get on the train first are making money. So this is still not something everyone is doing right now. But it will probably be out of fashion in a year. So if you want to make money from this, you need to learn artificial intelligence quickly. Friends, it's very likely that in the future, there won't be any physical content creators left. So here I might upload my image to an artificial intelligence bot. It will shoot the video under the conditions I want. I'm going to use my voice anyway. So the form of this work is changing. Many content creators are virtual, using artificial intelligence, and they are making money, friends. Friends, another thing is that when you develop a nice bot here, look, there are a lot of bots here. When you use these bots, you can make money from here. You can rent out the bot or sell the bot. So if you have a creative idea, you can create a nice bot and make money from it. Or you can sell your bot. Let me summarize this for you. You need to hang out a lot to understand how to make money from artificial intelligence. You need to test the artificial intelligence. You need to feel it. You need to understand. For example, I dedicate a certain amount of time to artificial intelligence every day. And sometimes for an hour, I'm just staring at an empty artificial intelligence. I'm dealing with something that doesn't help me at all. But sometimes there comes a time when it's just another AI that seems empty. It helps my work so much that I say, oh, I can use this here. And it really boosts my productivity. Because in the end, if I don't adapt to this artificial intelligence, I know I'm going to lose my opportunities. Now, friends, another method you can look at is this. There are a lot of bots here. I really do use it. I used it. Look, this is currently another one of my accounts. For example, I sent this a photo of mine and it generated this photo for me. It's really good. I mean, the guy on the 10 bill fits my face so well. It's like I've been there for 100 years. By using these, you can see this. So what can I do? What do people prefer? Or it suddenly brings you an idea. So using the existing bots will give you an idea. Yes, friends, we've come to the end of our video. As you can see, you can set up an artificial intelligence agent even without any prior knowledge. Artificial intelligence agents are really very valuable now. For example, I used to do 20 manual tasks to keep up with the news. Now I'm developing an artificial intelligence agent. It will track the trends for me and prepare a report. In the past, you used to pay a person for this, friends. Now agents do this with very small amounts of money, or sometimes even for free. The era is really changing. Thank you for watching. I hope my video has been clear. You can ask any questions you have in the comments. I would appreciate it if you liked the video. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.